Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're not receiving a CommBank verification code, wait at least 1 minute and request that code again. Check that your registered phone number is correct and active. Then, make sure your phone has strong signal and can receive text messages. If you cannot connect to the Wi-Fi, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're not able to do so, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly and the verification codes also come up. Then you're going to check your spam or junk folder. Go to your Gmail app. If you do not see the code here, click on the three-line option in the top left corner, scroll down and go to this through the spam folder or go to your trash folder. Sometimes the mail just might glitch and end up over there. If you still don't receive the code, contact CommBank customer support so they can verify your details and help you regain access, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.